Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's have a look what's going on in euro currency. Well, in general, we could say that most of the training plan that we have prepared in the weekend is working nice. So everything has happened as we have planned. Now we just need to control the overall price performance, because this week, as we already discussed, will be really tough. We get Fed meeting starting today. Later in the week, another statistics will be reported. So this might be more volatility on the market, but in general, even based on the price shape that we have, as on the euro currency, on the dollar index, although on the dollar index I would say it looks a bit clearer, better than the euro currency, still picture is very similar. So upside harmonic swing completed. Market has tested 107.53 intraday target that we have specified with this confluence, and this potentially was an area for taking the short position. In the weekend we said that those who have missed and lost the chance for taking short here, this will be another one with the pullback that we should get on Monday due to the pattern that is forming there. Just recall you that this is head and shoulders. If you take a look at the dollar index, take a look in general how picture looks like. This is clearly bullish context based even on a classical technical analysis school. So you can see great thrusting upper direction and flag consolidation. So this flag, it's actually always the bullish pattern, and it suggests for the upper continuation. So from that standpoint, something similar we should get on the euro currency as well. So on the 4 time frame chart, here you could see the same thing. We already talked about this, that this price shape doesn't correspond to the idea of the possible reversal. So when market reversed up, it shows something of this kind. More straightforward, faster action. Here it is more gradual and choppy, and that's why this is mostly the sign of the retracement. On the hourly chart, trend by the way here has turned bearish as well. So on the hourly chart, the pattern that we were discussing almost stands in place. So that's, if you remember, head and shoulders, and in the weekend we were at this point. So we said keep an eye. Market could form some kind of the guardless tipple to sell, and that will be a second chance for taking the position. Initially we thought that it might be 50% resistance favored for euro currency, but market has formed 618 or even slightly higher. So you can see this shoulder is more extended than this one. But in general, this was accurate A, B, C, bottom, D pattern. So that was the chance for position taken according to our plan. Speaking about the downside targets, we consider nearest one. This is the OP of the hand shoulders, is around 106.54, and take a look, the butterfly that is based on the right arm also has the first extension in the same area, 106.57. Finally, recall what we talked about this level. So we said if you would like to take the long position, this is 618 support, preferably if it would be right at the neck, right at the trend line, but since the trend line now is going higher, and if market will test this area, this will be just the fib level without the trend line. But anyway, for scalp trading, if you consider taking long position, you should wait for a target which will be also an agreement support, because this is also a target, not only level. And your destination point, this target of this particular trade, might be some resistance on the way down. Whether this will be confluence area, some predefined fib resistance. If markets start forming some expansions, you could calculate ABCD's targets. So something this kind, but you should not consider targets that stand on the daily and higher time frame. This is purely for intraday trading and very short-term targeting, because overall context remains bearish, and this is actually a position on intraday charts will be against the major trend on the higher time frame. Which makes it impossible just to setting targets against the major tendency that stands too far. So that's actually all that I would like to say. So here we just keep watching what will happen with our pattern, Hopefully it will be completed. As usual, C point right now is a kind of the invalidation point. We need to control it. If market somehow jumped above it and keep going higher, it means that we are getting hand shorters failure. In this case, shorts becoming not possible, and we're watching for a breakout of the previous top and upward continuation. Not in the case of the failure, but for now I do not see any signs of the failures. Just let's see what will happen with this pattern and keep watching for these targets around 106.55 area.